Hi friends, welcome to our official YouTube channel Dashakoti Android Tutorials. Today the channel members has come up with one more interesting tutorial about the app called Echo. You can download this app from Play Store later. Let us see what and all we can do and what and all the different options available under this Echo app. Yes, let me open Play Store to show you all the app name and rating properly. I am opening Play Store from my phone.
Access us messaging phone Google Apps open Play Store root navigate up button
Yes, I have opened the Play Store. Let me swipe from right to left.
Echo
Yes, since I have typed the name Echo, now only I have installed. That's the reason here the app name is displayed. Let me swipe from left to right to show you all what and all the different rating or what is the app name. You can alternatively you can see if you are sighted or low vision, you can see the screen to know the proper name and color of this app. I am swiping from left to right.
search Google voice search button Echo the instant playback voice recorder now with echo effect Echo installed
See the Echo, the instant playback with the core effect, the Echo is installed. I am opening from again left to right.
open button
Yes, let me click on open button.
Echo logo
Yes, I am in the app. Let me swipe from left to right and see what and all the different options and what and all the different things you can do. Are you curious? Yes, let us start this tutorial.
more options button
Yes, first is more options, where you will be able to set the recording, different recording, tap to record or hold to record. There will be two options under the settings. You can set that before using this app. Once you install this app, go to setting. Let me show you all what and all the important, quickly show you what are all the important features in the settings after this navigation. Yes, let me swipe from again left to right.
save button
Save button,
stop button
stop button,
replay button
replay,
record button
record.
Echo logo more options button
Yes friends, we have reached back to the earlier place where we have started our navigation. Let me go to the more options and to see what and all the different options.
recordings 1 of 3 in list 3 items
Yes, under this there are 3 items. One is recording. Whatever you are recorded, that will be exist under the recordings. Let me swipe from left to right again.
settings 2 of 3
Settings, again I am swiping.
about 3 of 3
About. If you want to know about this app, you can click on about. Now let me go to settings.
settings 2 of settings navigate up
Yes, I have opened the settings. I will swipe from left to right and just I will show you the important options.
instant replay begin playback immediately after a new recording is made on switch 1 of 6 in list 6 items
Yes, this I have turned on because after my recording it will play automatically. If you don't want to play automatically, you can click on not tick. Since I want this option to be enabled, I have clicked on tick box. I am swiping from left to right.
record button tap to record 2 of 6
Tap to record. There are 2 options under this:
hold to record 1 of 2 in list
hold
4
to
items.
record and
tick tap to record 2 of
tap to record. There are 2 options. You can select any one of the options as per your
record
convenience.
button tap to record 2 of 6 in list 6
Again, I am
items.
swiping from left to right.
sound effects 3 of 6 echo effect on playback on switch 4 of 6
Echo effect on playback. If you want the echo effect on playback, you can enable these options. Means after your recording, it will add the echo. Again, I am swiping.
echo volume of each echo 5 of 6
Echo volume. Under this option, you will be able to adjust the different volume for echo. Since I want 40, I have adjust for up to 40. 40 will be the regular. It will sounds like normal recording with the less echo. You can go up to 50 or 60. That will be enough by visiting this options called
echo volume
Echo
of each
volume.
5 of 6
Yes, volume of the echo you can increase up to 40, 50 or 60. Again I am swiping from left to right.
Echo delay before echo 6 of 6.
Delay before echo. Under this option there will be how many seconds the echo has to delay, means 2 times 3. Under this there will be option 1.1. let me go inside and show you 1 or 2 options.
0.1 seconds 1 ticked 0.2 seconds 2 of 9
0.1 second, 0.2,
0.3 seconds
0.3,
0.4 seconds 4 of 9
0.4.
0.5 seconds 5 of 9
Like this there are different options. I will for
0.3 seconds 3 of 9
the recording purpose I will keep for
tick 0.3 seconds
0.3 seconds.
echo delay settings navigate up out of
These are all the different settings under this app. Once you install the app from Play Store, you can do these settings. Yes, again let me go back to the previous screen.
more options button
Yes,
message Flipkart your Flipkart save button
yes, that is the next option is save button is there. Let us record something and see. Now I am going to record one message.
stop button replay but record button
Yes, click on record button to start the recording, or if you select hold to record from the settings, you have to hold up to the recording ends. That's the reason I have selected tap to record. I am tapping on record button.
record button
Hi friends, welcome to our official YouTube channel Dashakoti Android Tutorials. You can watch the videos from this channel about the Android tutorials. I am stopping this recording.
replay button stop button
Let me play.
replay button
Hi friends, welcome to our official YouTube channel Dashakoti Android Tutorials. You can watch the videos from this channel about the Android tutorials. I am stopping this recording. Yeah, what and all I have recorded that is exist in this application, you can save, or else alternatively you can adjust the echo before recording anything or any message, any important message. If you want to pass on to someone, you can record your voice. Before that you have to change the echo settings. Since I have kept 0.3, you can key up to 0.2, that will comes to normal echo. I am swiping again what and all the different options are there. To see the available option, I am swiping from left to right.
record button
Record button.
echo loop more options button save button
Yes, I am clicking on save button.
save to recordings
Yes, this recording has been saved. Let me go to say more options and let us see is this recording is available or not. I am swiping from left to right to see the available options.
stop button replay record echo loop more options button
Yes, let me go to more options.
recordings 1 of 3 in list 3 items
Yes, we are nearby the recordings whichever we have made. Now I am clicking on this button,
setting recordings 1 of 3
recordings.
recordings navigate up
Yes, I am swiping from left to right in this list.
echo 20200516 the 16th of February 59 1 of 3 in list 3 items
3 items are there. I have recorded 3 recordings. I am swiping from left to right.
echo 20200516155105 2 of 3
Okay, let me play this.
echo 2 delete record rename recording save recording reload recording save recording reload recording for playback button
Reload recording for playback.
more options save stop replay record replay
Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Dashakoti Android Tutorials. Yeah, this is the recording which I have made earlier. Let me show you one more recording which we have made recently.
button. average rating open echo loop more options recording
Okay, I am going to recordings.
echo 20200516 the 16th of February 59 1 of 3 in list 3 items
This one we have made recently. I am playing this recording to show you the difference from 0.2 seconds to 0.3 seconds. How will be the difference in echo. Okay, I am swiping from right to left, left to right.
echo delete recording button rename recording save record reload recording for playback button
Okay, reload recording for playback.
more options but save stop button replay button
Okay, I am clicking on replay button. Hi friends, welcome to our official YouTube channel Dashakoti Android Tutorials. You can watch the videos from this channel about the Android tutorials. I am stopping this recording. This how you can record.
Record button.
See, alternatively there are different options under this.
Echo logo. More option. Save button. Stop button. Replay button. Record button.
Okay, let me go back.
Open. Echo loop. More options.
Okay, I am going to more options and recording.
Record. Echo 20205. Recordings. Navigate up. Echo. Echo 2. Echo.
Okay, I am clicking on first record.
Echo 202. Echo. Delete record. Rename recording button.
You can rename your recording after going to recordings and clicking on any one of the recordings, and you
Delete
can
recording button.
delete recordings,
Rename recording. Button.
rename,
Save recording externally. Button.
save recording externally. You can even save this recording externally and later you can share with your friends.
Reload recording for playback button.
Reload recording for playback. There are different options. You can use any one of the option to rename, or you can save externally to share with your friends later on, so that they will be able to view your recording and provide you the right suggestions. Thank you friends for watching this video up to the end.